All right, guys, welcome back to our Roadmap Journey series. We are now diving into Module 22 Facebook. And so let's just get right to it. Right off the bat, you're going to jump into an intro. That intro is just going to give you an outline of what you're going to learn throughout the module. So you jump right into the second video. You're going to talk about how to build your personal Facebook page. So Hannah is going to walk you through the entire steps of just getting your personal Facebook page set, about customizing the look of your Facebook page and all of the tips and tricks that you need to get started with your Facebook page. So the next video, she's going to walk you through how to customize your Facebook banner in Canva. Now, a little bit of a bonus, in the Roadmap 3.0, we're actually going to get an entire module on Canva. So if you are somebody that's watching this and you are super into Canva, I know I am. I think it's amazing. I literally use it every single day. So I'm super pumped to see what is in this Canva module coming up on the 28th when Roadmap 3.0 launches. Back to the Roadmap 2.0. So once you've created your Facebook banner in Canva, you're then going to jump into how to identify your target audience on Facebook. She's going to walk through how to make connections within the Facebook group. She's going to show you the importance of making those connections and really what the benefits of joining those groups do for you and your business. Then she's going to show you how to craft long form written content on Facebook, how to do it the right way, how to structure it, what is pleasing to someone that is coming in and makes them want to read your post and engage with you. All of those tips and tricks are shared in these videos. She's also going to show you how to make the short form work for you as well by, creating some type of incredible background and then just putting your text over that background, in different ways to do that where it's effective and eventually brings you traffic and generates leads for you. So the next video is literally all about building your own Facebook group. So you're going to start from scratch. She's going to walk you through how to create your entire Facebook group, where to go, how to set it up, what to say, how it should look, all of that. So then we move into actually building the Facebook business page. And so I don't believe that there's too much of a walkthrough through this. It's really in-depth understanding of why you should do it, how it should look, but not as in-depth as the building the Facebook group. It's not going to be a step-by-step tutorial, but you've already learned enough about the platform from this module. You're going to have a really good foot in the door to be able to understand how to start with your Facebook business page based off of what you learn in this video. So then they round out this entire module with specific Facebook tips. And the first one in bold letters right off the bat is maximizing your presence. We all know that we have to show up. We have to be consistent. And that's what this whole first portion of this video is about. Maximizing your presence by being consistent. Making sure that you're engaging with posts. Someone posts something, you write a thoughtful comment, they engage back with you. Maybe you get a follow from that. Down the road, they now need something, a product or a service that you're providing. That may be a potential customer. Now, there's also the prospect of someone else that is reading that post and goes to make a comment and sees your comment and says, oh, I didn't realize that they did this, and then goes and follows you. And now you have a prospective client in that person as well. So it's super important to engage with posts, get into the comments, be thoughtful. Don't just leave an emoji. Don't just leave, oh, this was awesome. Actually engage and put something in there that is going to be thoughtful and is going to generate some type of an emotion from somebody that's reading it, either the creator of that post or someone who is commenting. And so the last part of this video is awesome. And it's really just about when you should be engaging, what time of day, how many times, what looks good, what looks spammy, all of that. What is the best proper etiquette to grow your business on Facebook and do it the proper way? And so that about wraps it up for this module. In the next module, we are going to be talking all about TikTok. So we will cover everything that is in that module in depth. Like I always say, guys, if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. And until next time, guys, thank you and have a great day.